What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today I'm doing a lesson on Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, Into the Great Wide Open. I had some people asking me about this song, so it's time to do it. Alright, this is not for beginners. This is harder stuff. In standard tuning. And the song is in E minor, okay? Here's the feel of the song. Mostly downstrokes. So we got some unusual chords happening. E minor, and then we're gonna make that minor major. So from the E major you wanna, from the E minor you wanna lower the second fret to the first fret. Okay, and then you wanna make that an E minor 7. And then you wanna add your pinky on 4th fret A string. So you wanna hear inside the minor, the E chord. Okay, and then we have A minor and G over A minor. And then F sharp over A minor, and then here to reach that we're going to have to use our thumb. Back to G over A minor. And then G major, F to C. And then we have, which is C, 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 G, G. Alright, let's do it from the top. 3, 4. Vocals. A minor, G over A minor, F sharp, G over A minor, G, F, C. Verse. Two of those there after the last verse there before the chorus. So it's C, 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 G, G, C, 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 G, D, D. Okay, and then we're into the chorus. That's G, C, D, G, E minor, D, A minor, G, C, D, and then the last part is, let's say G, F, E minor, A minor, and then times there. So let's do the chorus. 3, 4. a little guitar solo there, but that's over the verse. E minor with descending line. A minor, G over A, F sharp, G over A. Again, E minor. Cool. So let's do a quick review before we end the lesson. We got the verses, E minor with the descending. That goes to A minor over G, F sharp. Gotta use the thumb for that. G over A, and then G, F, C, and then we have the happens once there, and then we have a double verse, and at the end of the second verse we go, and then again, end of the D there to set up the chorus, and the chorus is G, C, D, G, E minor, D major, A minor, back to G, C, D. End of the chorus goes G to F, E minor, A minor. That's all the parts. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more classic hits. Be safe, stay strong, take it easy.